a concert here for you and me. There's a concert here today. There's a concert here for all of we. There's a concert here today. Come along, there's a concert here today. Come along, there's a concert here today. So take your seat and pose your best. There's a concert here today. Pam pam. Hello, our friends all over the world. This is Miss Tania Lou and
We are the Ring Ding Kids.
Yes, these are the Ring Ding Kids here in Canada, celebrating Miss Lou's birthday for September 7th. In Toronto, we have the Heritage project there that makes sure that Miss Lou's picture and her life's work is being displayed out on the lawns. Yeah, the Toronto Legacy Project and Heritage Toronto, they put these lawn signs, and I believe Kaylee, you saw it out at the what was it, Eglinton Station?
I did.
Yeah, she saw it, these little lawn signs that are put there to tell us about Miss Lou. And she also had a home there on 140 Adanac Drive. So if you ever come into Toronto, make sure you come and check it out. So, Ring Ding Kids, what is the animal that Miss Lou like to talk about?
Donkey.
Yes, on our famous children program, Ring Ding. Yes, my dear, from 1968 to 1980, she used to do lots of folk songs and riddles and stories and all of that. And so, today, I know you're going to sing with us about this kind of donkey. It starts with a J, huh? Jackass. All right. So, 1, 2, 3. Jackass with him long tail, bag of cocoa coming down. Jackass with him long tail, bag of cocoa coming down. No tease him, no worry him, no make the bank cross squeeze him. Jackass with him long tail, bag of cocoa coming down. Jackass with him long tail, bag of cocoa coming down. Riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this riddle and perhaps not. Why is a river rich?
Oh, I know.
What is it, Janelle?
Because it has two banks.
Yes, Copper. Just 2 banks, a river bank. All right, riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this riddle and perhaps not. Up Chincherry, down Chincherry, that a man can climb Chincherry.
Smoke.
Smoke, yes.
I have one, Miss Tanya.
Come here, Becky. What riddle now she have for me?
What is in front of woman and back of cow?
Boy, I don't think I want to hear the answer.
Me catch you a W.
A W in a clapper. Front a woman and back a cow. And so now, Ring Ding Kids, we're going to do one of Miss Lou's poems, one of her early poems about broughtopsy. You know what broughtopsy mean? When you have
Courtesy.
yes, you have manners. All right. Let us begin it. 1, 2, 3. Miss Lou's courtesy poem. Shine up your shoes and brush your hair. Give clothes and body plenty of care. Mind your manners and don't forget. Howdy and thank ye, brook no swear. Howdy, how do you do? Thank ye, thank you. Beg your pardon, excuse me. Practice up your courtesy. Aye, aye, aye. All right, that was good. And clap yourself. Yes. Now we're going to do for you a folk song about Old Master Charlie and him.
Bulldog.
Yes, if you know it, sing along with us, all right? Old Master Charlie, him have a bulldog, and in him backyard, and when it gets bad, chain happy chain him, rope happy rope him, wire happy wire him, wire happy wire him. Old Master Charlie, him have a bulldog, in him backyard, And when him get bad chain, I fi chain him. Rope, I fi rope him. Wire, I fi wire 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 him. Nice. All right. And then what other folk song we're going to be singing? Who is it that love to gossip a lot?
Liza.
Yes, and what we call somebody that love to gossip?
Motamasi.
Motamasi. This is one of Miss Lou's poems that was made into a song. Miss Marlene, can you please play? Motamasi, Liza, you know hear your mama they call you. Make your mouth so go long, you know hear your mama they call you. Motamasi, Liza, you know hear your mama they call you. Make your mouth so go long, you know hear your mama they call you. Your mouth so fly, you must tell lies, so remember say me they want you. Liza, keep by your mouth. Liza, keep by your mouth. Yes, that is one of Miss Lou's folk songs. Yes, and you can hear a lot of our folk songs from her album on folk records. Yes, and so the Ring Ding kids wanted to know they were so happy that you were here with us celebrating, doing a bashment for Miss Lou's birthday on September 7th. And you know how Miss Lou always end our program? What she always say? Walk good. Walk good. And you know what walk good mean? It not only means to travel safely, it means in life you must be able to do good. Do good things and good things will come back to you. That's why she say walk good every day and good Duppy will walk with you. So from Miss Tania Lou and the
Ring Ding Kids,
we say bye-bye and
walk good.
Ay, ay, ay.